Hi guys, Kimberly here from City Dog Expert, today with the Pum Pums, and we are going to do a whole video from everything that we bought from Zooplus. Hey guys, so first up we have Pooch and Mutt Christmas dinner, which comes in the most adorable little tin, and it's turkey, parsnips, carrot, peas, sweet potato and gravy with no sprouts. And these are actually on at 2 for the price of 1 at Zooplus. They come in little tiny bone shapes, as you can see there. Here you go, one for you. Bunny, one for you. There you go. They like those. Next up, we have, oh my gosh, my German is so bad. Feine Kuchknochen. There you go. Which is beef scalp, salmon, and salmon skin. So you can actually see that it's nicely wrapped on the inside. There you go. Oh, someone's really into this product testing job. There you go. Is that a bit too big for you? You can try it. These ones here are beef skin, duck meat, sweet potato and thyme. And they're designed, there's 12 in a pack, but they're designed for small dogs. So these are going to be perfect for 4 of mine. I'm going to need something a bit bigger for Chaplin. But they're very, very, very cute. Next up, we have Hühnerbrust mit fish, which is a little tiny fish. I don't know what kind of fish it is, but it's wrapped up in chicken skin, and the dogs absolutely love these. So they're really, really, really cute, really tiny. Who wants one? And they've still got the little things. What do you think of that too? There you go. Well, Jester can't decide which one he prefers. Next up we have, let's have a look. What should we get next? I don't know. Oh, right, okay. Hähnchenhals, which is for Hunde, but I can't actually remember what the product is because it's all in German. But it is for dogs, and it is a really natural product as well. You can actually see exactly what it is. I think it's beef, but I'm not 100% sure. Your dogs absolutely, absolutely love these. Next one is Hörner Snacks for Hunde. Geröste Hähnchen. Oh, sorry guys, my German is so bad. But I know from the description that this is chicken skin, and it comes in tiny little pieces here, which can be a little bit messy in all honesty, but the dogs absolutely love them, and it's a really, really nice natural treat. Do you guys want one? There you go. There you go. Next one is this, which is lamb tripe. Now this is one of the smellier treats, and you can see someone's already into it without me opening it up. But it's all natural, and the dogs think it's the most fantastic thing in the entire world. So this is what it looks like. This one, as I did say, is quite smelly, so make sure that your dog's in a room with airflow when they're munching on this one. This one here is lamb's ears. These are really, really nice. The dogs really like those, and there's no scent or minimal scent. So it's a really nice one. Oh, do you like that? Oh my gosh, look at her. She loves it. Look, what do you think? Okay. Yeah, I think someone likes some ears. I'm going to put that there for you, okay? Next up, oh, this is a heavy one. Pig's is Oracle. My anatomy is not very good. Huge big bag of these here. Again, this can be quite a smelly treat, but the dogs think they are absolutely fantastic. Next up, yes, tropenfish, which is tiny little dried fish. Oh, what do you think? What do you think of them? Little fishies, just like a little puppy. As Sprotten, which I think is sprats. I'm not 100% sure though. But it's a really nice sized bag and really, really good for training because you can break them up into small little bits, which is perfect. They can crumble a little bit, so do be careful on your furniture. But the dogs think these are blooming brilliant as well. Next up we have a little selection pack from Bosch, which do finest snack concepts. This one here are the dental treats. This one is designed for hair and skin. This one here is for vitality. These are quite big, so you would have to break them up for smaller dogs, but they're the perfect size for anything from a spaniel up. And then these ones are, it says light, so I guess for those that are watching their waistline. And that's it, guys. That was our haul from Zooplus. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we bought, and I think the puppies had a really good time. Hopefully see you soon. Bye!